Okay, good morning, everyone. Today I will present the company profile of the Lego Group along with its business process, specifically the revenue cycle and expenditure cycle. In this presentation, I will explain how Lego earns revenue from products, sales, and how the company manage its operational expenses through the structure and efficient system. But before that, let me introduce our group member. Um, Hello, my name is Jakara Jendra Ginanjar.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Ragib Wijaya Dama.
Hello, my name is Faisal Fadil Susilo.
So next, I hope the presentation can help us better understand the implementation of business process in a global company. Okay, profit company. The Lego Group is a toy company from Denmark, which is engaged in the production of construction toys and children entertainment. Lego was founded in 1932 and is known globally for its iconic creative building block. Currently, Lego has expanded into various fields such as video games, films, amusement parks, and children additional platform. Lego's main products and service included Lego City, Lego Technic, Lego Star Wars, Lego Friends, as well as various other education and creative sets. A part of the selling physical product, Legos also has digital application and interactive experience for customer. Lego business model is based on the sale of toy products and entertainment license market through official store, retail partners, and online platforms. The company revenue comes from product sales, license partnerships, and Legoland, theme park, and other digital and entertainment products. Next is a revenue cycle. Revenue cycle is a process by which a company obtains revenue from customer. In the Lego Group, revenue cycles begins when customers purchase Lego products through an official store, website, or marketplace. After that, the system processes the order and check the availability of the stock of goods. The product is then packaged and sent to the customer. Once the order is received, the customer makes payment via credit card, via bank transfers, or other digital payment from the transaction. Lego earned revenue from selling toys, products, licenses, and digital products.
Okay, for the next, I will explain about the flowchart of revenue cycle. The first one is ordering. Customers buy product from the store, website, or marketplace. The next one is checking. The system checks if the items are available in the warehouse. Next one is shipping. The Lego packs and the item and sends to the customer's address. The fourth one is payment. After receiving the goods, the customer pay using card, transfer, or digital wallet. And the last one is recording. Lego records the sale and earns money from the products or license. Next one, I will explain about the PM revenue cycle. Okay. First one is requesting. A department needs materials, machine, or service to work. And the ordering. The purchasing team chooses a supplier and sends a purchase order. And then there's a receiving. The supplier sends the goods or receive along with an invoice. And then there's a verifying. The finance team checks if the invoice match was ordered and received. And the last one is paying. Once everything is correct, Lego pays the supplier to finish the process. Okay. The next one is expenditure cycle. Expenditure cycle is the process of spending a company on the operational needs of a business. In Lego, an expenditure cycle begins when production or operational part requires a specific raw material, machine, or service to support the product manufacturing process. Then the purchasing section select the appropriate supplier or vendor. Vendors provide the necessary raw material or service and send invoice to the company. After the invoice received, the finance section checks the conformity of the invoice with the orders and items received before making payment to the vendor.
Okay, for the next is the flowchart expenditure. This flowchart explain Lego expenditure cycle process. The process starts when a department needs goods or service. Then the company checks the required items and creates a purchase order or PO. After that, the supplier sends the goods or service requested. Lego then inspect the items to make sure they match the order and quality standards. Next, the supplier sends an invoice and the finance department verifies the invoice with the PO and receive goods. If everything is correct, the payment is made to the supplier. And then for the BPM and expenditure, this BPMN diagram shows the detailed expenditure process and the responsibilities of each department. The requestor identifies the needs, goods, and sends a purchase request to be purchasing department. Purchasing selects the appropriate vendor and creates a purchase order. Then the vendor prepares and delivers the goods and sends the invoice to the Lego. The finance department checks the invoice and confirms whether it matches the PO and delivery goods. If the invoice is valid, the payment is approved and sent to the vendor. If there is an error, the invoice is returned for correction. And then for the conclusion, based on the revenue cycle and expenditure cycle of the Lego Group, it can be concluded that the company has a structured business process in managing revenue and expenditure. Revenue cycle helps Lego earn revenue through selling product to customers, ranging from ordering to payment. Meanwhile, expenditure cycle helps companies meet operational needs through the process of purchasing goods or service from vendors to payment. With an organized and integrated system, Lego can maintain the company's smooth operations, ensure product availability, and improve efficiency and quality of service to customers. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you.
Oke, udah ya. Ini gimana sih cara udahnya? Tuh.